back to another vlog. My name is Rachel. Thank you for coming back to Brown and Confident. We love having you here. I hope you are having a great day, a great week. This is going to be a mini vlog because I just posted about a week ago a 2-week vlog. So if you want more content, girl, I just posted it and I got my shorts going. I'm trying to post a couple of times a week, but I'm slowing down on my posting because I'm growing and I feel like posting every day and 3 times a day is for like the maximum amount of growth, and right now we're just kind of coasting. Okay, so this vlog is a 30K vlog. Shout out to you. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for the love. Celebrating 30K, and also we're celebrating our Locs being 2 years. So yes, they are definitely flourishing. I have a retie appointment, so y'all will see that in this vlog. And I also need to do this SHEIN haul for y'all. It's like gonna be a quick try on because I don't want to do a full video. I just want to put it in this vlog, girl. That'll be a quick try on haul, and I'll leave all the links in my LTK shop and it'll be down below. Okay, so congrats to 30K, congrats to being 2 on my Locs, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up because that sends me out to more audience to get my channel out there. And make sure you subscribe to this channel. We will be having more giveaways. I'm trying to figure out what to do, so if you have any suggestions, make sure you leave them down in the comment box, and I'll see you in this video. Right?
Unjust, you good. It's done just you good. It's done just just put the record. Just put the record. If they like me, then chop at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh yeah, come bear no. But so blame me more. You go do you one time, I'll be for one time, I'm not to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk up, as we they fly like helicopter. Nobody grace of God and inshallah we they move. Question, but then no get the answer. 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 Answer, bossa, libido. Lego sing a sala when you they move. See green light when I look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you they look. When I say I know, see what you do. See when we go get it wild like Sulesu. Got the one he comes out.
I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. I need some drink in my cup. Hey, I'm in the mood to fuck something up. I wanna go missing. I need a prescription. I wanna go higher. And I sit on top of you. I wanna go where nobody's been. Where nobody's been. Have you ever had fun like this? We gon' up the night. Black lights. Spaceships fly. I'm apologetic when we up the night. Up the night. We getting up tonight. We gon' put you deeper. Let you see stars. Let you elevate. Let you need God. I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to put something up. We gon' up the night. What's in these four walls? Sexy, my love. Don't miss this roll call. Is you hear a voice?
Hey y'all, a little OOTD. I have on my Tory Burch dad sandals, and then I have on my black Walmart biker shorts with an Amazon shirt, which just came in a 4-pack, y'all, so I'll have to link those. And then I'm just gonna wear my Gucci Soho bag, so yeah. A little simple OOTD, comfortable, made for walking, yeah. Y'all, welcome back to another vlog. Okay, we are sitting outside of my hair appointment and I'm ready to get a retie. I don't think I'm gonna get a style today because I didn't ask. Okay, I didn't ask. I'm looking up because I'm waiting on her to call me. I hit 2 years. I hit 2 years. Okay, she ready. I gotta go. I'm gonna get more footage when I get in.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home. Negativity with that mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Better way. Oh, way. Mom and dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics. Do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it. Don't make sense now.
Hey y'all, so I just dropped the kids off at school and I'm headed back home to try to pack and get ready because I'm trying to get ready for New York. So yeah. Oh my gosh, Chloe.
I be in a loop, she be in a group. Brody want a friend, don't have a loop. Turns out I'm the nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the ooze? Still running around with more, get ready, pack to go, yeah. People probably think I show up, I ain't even give it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Should've stayed really high, turn anything given time. Personal problems still a talking, cause I got rich without. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even keep it to used to be, this shit slick divided. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick divided. I be knowing the rundown, I'm doubting, so I can't speak about it. She know one of the things, and she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I coach you. I'm in a different league, I'm tired of showing I can get done. What you gon' do for me? 40,000 miles up in the air, every time I get some Z's. Full cook, press foot on their neck, and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears come with this check, it ain't nowhere near easy. Had to fall back, you know how that go, we only speaking briefly. Hope I'm not too much to handle. See this nigga from Atlanta, I spent my last check on ammo. This is not a regular Lambo. $100,000 kit, could've put down on another Lambo. Don't be in the mix, I built this shit forever, have to say so.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine.
I'm on my hot girl walk. Have you walked today?
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine.
Get up. Get up, come on, get up. Let's go walking.
Come rewind, girl, I get the money if you make you mine, If you love me every night, you make you mad, Now only you give me love and make me nice, 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 I feel make you mine, Girl, I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. Girl, I love you every day. That my last with you, the money I go pay. For your love, I go pay. Can you make it my DJ? I feel on this shit every day. When you walk, run it back on replay. For your love, I go pay. For your love, I go pay. Make a F.A.Q, make a traffic psycho. Baby, if you nice, you go drive me psycho.